All right, next question. What was the plugin that you mentioned for the dashboard? So we use a plugin called Rich Filters. This is the dashboard that I typically suggest using if you're trying to get any kind of robust reporting inside of Jira. The reason I like it is because it kind of strikes a really good balance between reporting on enough information and visualizing data in a relatively complex way and still being simple to use. There's a couple of other plugins that I can recommend that are kind of on each their own ends of the spectrum. There's eazyBI, which is very complicated to use, but can do very complex reporting. And there is custom charts as well. Custom charts is a little outdated. It was acquired a few years back, but it is very simple to use, and the reports are relatively simple as well. So if you want something that's a really good balance, that still gives you really nice, in-depth visual reports, Rich Filters is my go-to option. My favorite part about Rich Filters is that you can kind of add this little filters panel, and then you could specify certain filters, and then all the charts on the actual dashboard update along with it. Oh, I think I wasn't sharing my screen. Let me add that here. There we go. So this is the Rich Filters dashboard. So if you wanted something like this, especially with these kinds of filters, I believe you could do it with eazyBI. I don't think you could do it with custom charts. Rich Filters is kind of always my go-to when it comes to reporting, just because it's so nice and visual, and there's a little bit of a learning curve, but after a day or two, you get used to it enough to where it's not that complicated to use anymore. I hope that answers your question. Someone mentioned eazyBI rocks. It even has report builder AI assistant that makes it easier. Oh, I didn't know. eazyBI has an AI assistant. That's pretty cool, actually. That might make eazyBI a lot easier to use. That being said, it is still very, very complex for a lot of people. And unless you need something like literally like a Power BI alternative, I'd probably lean towards Rich Filters just because it's a little bit simpler to use. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot. And if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.